And because we're going to jump right in. The unit that I'll be rocking today is from YGWigs. It is a 13 by 6 T-part lace wig. It's in a curly bob. As you guys can see, this is what the cap looks like. It does have combs. This is the hair dry. I went ahead and co-washed it with some suave conditioner. Now I'm going to add some Talia Wajed leave-in conditioner. This is what the hairline looks like. And I'm also going to go ahead and add some mousse. I'm going to put that all over the unit, and then I'm going to brush it through with my paddle brush. And look how juicy the curls are. So I'm getting them together. So I'm gonna go ahead and put foundation on the T part. As you guys can see, there's a little bit of lace on the hairline, so I did add some foundation, and I'm just applying the unit. I didn't pluck it or anything because there's not really much hairline to pluck, but I'm just gonna go ahead and spray some Got To Be Glue Freeze spray and tie it down for about 30 minutes while I do my makeup. And now I'm just going to go ahead and create some baby hairs. Now you do not have to do this. This is totally optional. So I'm just parting out the front of the hairline with my rat tail comb. And I'm going to use some Eco Styler gel just to lay down my baby hair and get them to how I want them to be. I'll go ahead and swoop the other side as well. I'm going to work on the part. I mixed some concealer and my foundation color together, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that down the part just to define it a bit more. And then I'm going to take a baby wipe wherever I got too much of it on the hair. I'm going to wipe out. But yes, I'm just getting it together. This is how it looks from the back. Super curly and pretty. The side with the highlights. Super cute, you guys. So I decided to go ahead and put the front into a ponytail because I love my ponytails at the top. And I just wanted to see how it would look with it being a T part. And it actually turned out really cute. You can't even really tell about the part. And it looks super cute. And none of the tracks are showing in the back. So I love that. And I decided to go ahead and add a headband, and it looks really cute with the headband too. Hey big curls, so you guys have made it to the end of the video, so we're gonna go ahead and get into this hair that I am rocking today. You guys know this unit is from YGWigs. This is their 13 by 6 T-part wig. It is in a highlighted color. It's a curly bob virgin human hair. So the hair is Brazilian virgin hair. It is curly and it's about 8 inches. I will say about 8 inches, a little bit longer than 8 inches. I got it in a cap size small. The lace color is brown. It does have some highlights. So it is a T-part wig, meaning that the lace is in the shape of a T. It's not a full lace wig. It's only lace on the perimeter of the hairline right here, and there's tracks throughout the whole cap. So it's basically like tracks with a lace T part. So the T is right here on the side, which is the part, and then after the lace starts to tracks. So this is how it looks. Super cute, you guys. This is some of like the softest curly hair that I've ever had. Like, it is so soft. Y'all know I love a bob look. Like, this is totally right up my alley. It doesn't come with much lace up top, so you know, kind of gotta make it do what it do. It kind of reminds me, and this is not a bad thing at all because I still love synthetic wigs, but it definitely kind of reminds me like how synthetic wigs don't give much lace, but that's still cool. I feel like the T-part wigs are very, very easy to install. You guys know they're being popularized right now, but they are a lot easier to apply because there's only a few steps that you have to do to put them on. The lace is in a brown color, but I did go ahead and add some foundation to the lace, as you guys saw. You do get a little bit of shedding with this unit, not much, but you will get some shedding with this unit. Another thing about the unit is I wish that the lace was a little bit thinner. It's not bad, it's still easy to work with, but if it was like a little bit thinner, I feel like it would be really, really undetectable. I feel like you can see it just a little bit, but it's not bad. I mean, obviously having a wig, so I'm not tripping if you're able to see my lace or whatever, but if the lace was a little bit thinner, I feel like that would be better. But overall, it's a really, really pretty unit. Like when I co-washed it, I was really impressed that the curls stayed into place and snapped back after co-washing, because a lot of times when you wash curly units, they sometimes elongate, but this unit definitely kept its curls and it kept its shape. So they did a really good job with that. I'm really happy about that. And I also like the fact that I can still put it in a ponytail and none of the tracks are showing in the back. I don't know, it's just it's given. Like, it is so like up my alley, and I just love the fact that it is really, really curly. Like, I love that. Like, it is so curly. I personally wouldn't use heat on this hair because in my opinion, this is the type of hair if you put heat on it, you're probably going to lose your curls. So I wouldn't recommend using heat on this unit. But it is really lightweight. I wish I could feel this hair through the camera. Like, it is so soft. And all I applied was some leave-in conditioner and some mousse. And that was it. And it did what it needed to do. Okay? It did what it needed to do. I love units that have a little bit of highlight because y'all know I've been wearing a lot of black units lately, like natural color units. So you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and rate this unit, and I'm gonna go ahead and give it a B, only because I wish that the lace was a little bit thinner, and it does give a little bit of shedding, but it's all good because it is really full. Like, it's not too thick, it's not too thin, so I do like that, but it still gets a B, so that's really good. But I love this unit, y'all. This is like perfect for hot weather because it's lightweight. Make sure you guys check out YGWigs. Everything about them will be in the description box below. The hair that I'm rocking will also be in the description box below as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.